Worrying data from the Health Ministry survey has indicated that obesity in schools continues to rise. The information is at the core of a new call from the Health Ministry for the nation's teachers to help in reducing the obesity levels among the country's children. TVJ's O'Shane Masters has that report.
Addressing teachers at the JTA's annual conference in St. James yesterday, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton revealed that the latest health and wellness survey showed an increase in obesity levels among students.
Obesity levels have doubled over the last 7 years. Doubled. Now, in the 70s and 80s, what would show up in the school population as the biggest health and wellness challenge is malnutrition. Today, it is obesity. We have to intervene in dealing with the obesity challenges because it is manifesting itself in so many ways among this younger age cohort and predictably will also create major challenges when they become young adults and as they mature in society later on.
Hence, he issued this call.
We are going to have to intervene. And we're going to have to get all the critical stakeholders, teachers being a critical part of that, to help us to provide the guidance that is necessary to our young people as the first line of defense to combat these lifestyle-related ailments, and certainly the obesity challenge that is plaguing our school population. And so the message from you is going to be absolutely critical in supporting the success of this new program that we will embark on as part of the preventative approach to healthcare.
Meanwhile, come September, there will be no buns or bullets in school. Education Minister Ruel Reid, who made the announcement on Wednesday, said the move is vital. With that, he pointed out a change in the remit of Nutrition Products Limited, NPL.
Only 2% by of our schools do not have their own canteen. So NPL will be reorganized to support the delivery of lunches by providing the resources, whether the material or the finances for you to provide the meals. Only those schools that don't have canteen will be delivered to. So bullets and all those things will be withdrawn generally from the market. Has to be whatever product are very much consistent with the government's nutrition policies.
O'Shane Masters, TVJ News.